memory lingers on, but now I'm free. Once my soul was bound, and the cold wind has blown away our dead skin. And the cold wind has rid me of my sins. Like the currents of the sea, and like the branches of a tree, I don't need you, don't need me. We should have known this from the start, that we were victims of our hearts who merely stick together till they come apart. And the cold wind has kissed me on the lips, and the cold wind has stabbed me with its fingertips. I've grown strange, but like